Hey everyone, Terry Brighton here from Brighton Racing in Wingham, Ontario. I got another small block stroker on a test stand here today. This one here is going to Chatham and it's going in Dave's 74 Cuda. It's strictly a street engine, but it does have trick flow heads. It's got a Howard's hydraulic roller cam in it, RPM intake, Edelbrock intake. He's strictly driving it on the street, so he needed to make lots of vacuum for his power brakes and stuff, and he says it'll never see the strip, but you know, when you get the torque of a stroker, it's pretty hard not to try it out at strip. I know I sure would. Anyways, as usual, I'll put everything in the comments below for what the build is of this engine. It does have a hydraulic roller cam in it. It's a Howard's cam. It's actually a pretty tame cam, but I was kind of surprised at how good it did sound for how calm it is. But here's the specs of it if you want to look it up. But I think it's going to work pretty good. Still, it's going to make lots of torque. Dave does want to get this thing dynoed, so it's going to the dyno at Darrell Waters. I think it's March 15th, but it's 2 weeks after the Indy swap meet anyway, so we'll take her down to Darrell Waters dyno and see what kind of power this thing can make. I'll just put everything in the comments below. You can look it up. It's again, it's trick flow heads. It's IC 745 pistons, Eagle crank, Eagle rods. But let's start this up for Dave anyways, and we'll see what it sounds like. That snow can quit anytime. I'm not going to take the mufflers off this one. I can tell it's cold out here by the exhaust. And there's Dave's 340/416 stroker for his 74 Cuda. Thanks for watching, guys.